and Delin wena ukweliphi icala. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Skinner from the 27th to the 1st of May 2026 on Monday. Dala and Tefs tell Delin stand by her unexpected accomplice. They've left wondering who it could be. Kgalalelo blames Vuvu for her father's abrupt action on Tuesday. It's a stakeout, but the watchers don't realize they are also being watched. Tempers run high, and an unsuspecting Tutugo is shocked by a confrontation on Wednesday. Long-buried secrets are finally unearthed, and finally standoff is imminent. Someone talks Ntotugo off the ledge, but will he manage to pull Kgalalelo back too? And Mathubela lights a fire under Ephraim on Thursday. A trap is sprung, and Karma is about to reveal her cards. Kgalalelo and Victor find themselves at a fork in the road. Though a tougher decision must be taken. A son wants to honor his father, but it's clearly coming at a cost on Friday. Shots are fired and death is on the card. Tutugo defends his girl, but must take a few jabs of his own. Mathubela will not go down lightly and still has nothing but threat for Vukosi. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.